Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best curlers locks and bouncy curls that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Janyan Pink Magic Hair Rollers. Pamper your tresses without causing them damage with the Janyan 40 pieces Pink Magic Hair Rollers that are crafted with high-quality, medical-grade soft silicone. It is not only hypoallergenic but also non-slip and odorless, so you won't have to worry about a thing. Use these extra soft hair rollers on damp tresses and leave them on for about 30 minutes to get those super bouncy tight curls that last for hours. You can choose between pink, cyan, or blue curlers and even store them inside the zipper bag that comes with this set. Pros: suitable for all hair types and textures. Washable, lightweight and practical, easy to clean and store. Can be reused. Cons: it may take longer than usual to curl hair. Moving on at number 4, we have Lawson No Heat DIY Curlers. Want that wavy beach hair look without all the heat damage that comes from using an iron? The Lawson No Heat DIY curlers come in a set of 40 and are just what you need to get heatless waves anytime and anyplace. The curlers work wonders for straight hair and can be used to get smaller or larger waves, depending on the number of curlers you use. This one also has a soft memory foam core that lets you wear it on your head as you sleep. Click here to check out this YouTuber's unbiased review. Pros: lightweight and portable. Reusable, easy to fasten, safe to use with a hairdryer. Cons: the curls may not hold for long if you don't combine them with a hairstyling product. At number 3, we have Orgrimmar Magic Hair Curler. Get the best of both worlds with this easy-to-use hair curler that does not require heat, while also saving you time and money on curling your tresses. The 20-pack Orgrimmar Magic Hair Curler is made of pet fabric material that combines plastic and elastic to let you naturally and effortlessly create curls. You can simply use these magic spiral curlers overnight by separating sections of your hair and holding them in place using a firm wand that is steady and does not break easily. Here's a personal review video to help you get a better understanding of the product. Pros: prevents heat damage. Easy to use. Can be worn overnight. Durable spiral curlers. Suitable for all ages. Cons: may make wavy hair frizzy if you use it without any leave-in products. At number 2, we have Cobain Spiral Hair Curler Set. Are you worried about running out of curlers while you're doing your hair? The 30-piece Cobain Spiral Hair Curler Set has you covered with easy-to-use curl sets that can be operated based on the thickness of your hair. You can even spruce up your hairstyle by incorporating different types of beautiful curls with the magic wand that can easily hook the hair strands. The hair curlers are made of a soft material that can easily be used to give you hair without having to bring out hot rollers. Save yourself salon time with this quick fix and sport your bouncy tresses to go with all your outfits. Click here to check out a detailed personal review of this product. Pros: sufficient number of curlers. Can get different types of curls. Safe and flexible. Effortless use. No heat damage. For all hair types. Cons: may not be ideal for those with long hair. And finally at number 1. Cobain Heatless Hair Curlers. The Cobain Heatless Hair Curlers come with a curling rod, 2 hair loops, a claw clip, and 2 duckbill clips that are super easy to use. Not only do you get to save up on time, but the harmless quick fix is an ideal way to get soft wavy curls without the hair damage caused by excessive heat. It takes minimal effort to maintain the products as they can be hand-washed in cold water and air-dried between uses. If you want to design and create your hairstyle to match all your outfits, this one is just what you need for all hair lengths and types. Pros: heatless and gentle on your hair. Easy to use. Suitable for dry or wet hair. Does not interfere with hair while you sleep. Available in colors. Cons: you may find that the rod slides off if it's not fastened properly. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.